Breathtaking. All those years training, and nothing truly prepares you for this silence, this scale.
Outside the glass canopy, the Milky Way slowly rotates like a glowing river of fire in total silence.
Warning lights softly pulse on the control panel as distant cosmic radiation crackles in the background audio.
The spiral arms stretch out like cosmic brushstrokes. It's humbling to witness the sheer scale of it all.
Millions of stars slide past in slow parallax as the ship enters the outer halo of the Milky Way.
Confirmed. Navigation towards the Orion Arm.
The structural integrity held, but barely. As the gravitational waves intensified, he knew this mission had reached the point of no return.
Distant supernova echoes flare like silent lightning along the galactic horizon.
The ship's shadow drifts across glowing dust lanes as speed gradually increases.
His calm voice breaks the silence and declares that the journey into the heart of the Milky Way has officially begun.
The low vibration of the spacecraft engine passes through his body as the vast Milky Way slowly ignites across the panoramic glass.
Millions of distant stars stretch into luminous rivers as the ship glides deeper into the silent galactic halo.
The control panel emits a steady pulse of blue light that reflects across his visor and aging yet focused eyes.
Faint cosmic radiation crackles through the audio channel as the ship aligns with the Orion Arm.
His breathing remains calm, while gravitational data scrolls endlessly across the transparent interface.
Particle clouds drift like golden fog outside as the ship subtly increases forward thrust.
The distant glow of star nurseries begins to dominate the forward view, transforming darkness into living light.
Warning, gravitational anomaly detected. Crossing event horizon in 10 seconds. Please brace for turbulence.
The pilot's steady hands guide the craft between slow-moving curtains of interstellar dust.
Mission log entry. We have finally entered the true sea of the Milky Way. Captain's log. Humanity has entered the true sea of the Milky Way.
The spacecraft glides silently past a cluster of newborn stars, their blue light shimmering on the metallic hull.
He adjusts the navigation settings, eyes scanning the data streams for gravitational anomalies.
A sudden flare from a distant supernova briefly illuminates the cockpit in warm orange hues.
The hum of the engines synchronizes with the pulsating rhythm of nearby neutron stars.
He leans closer to the display, noting the trajectory through dense interstellar dust.
The AI assistant quietly confirms course corrections as he nods without removing his gaze from the stars.
Streams of cosmic rays pass overhead, creating faint glimmers across the cockpit glass. He grips the control stick steadily as the ship enters a spiral arm filled with dense star clusters.
The galactic core is incredible. Look at the data projections highlighting the central supermassive black hole.
His reflection in the visor blends with the glowing stars outside, merging man and universe in one frame.
We're experiencing gravitational instability. Rerouting power to the dampeners now. Hold tight.
He monitors a passing comet, its icy tail stretching across the void in silvery light. The AI alerts him to a nearby dark matter cloud, invisible yet influencing trajectory.
Particle flux is increasing. I'm adjusting the shields, but we're taking heavy hits on the hull. Rerouting power now.
Stars in the distance twinkle in patterns, hinting at neighboring star systems. The ship passes a giant nebula, its gaseous tendrils wrapping across the viewport in violet and blue.
He records observations in the mission log, noting phenomena unseen from Earth.
A distant pulsar emits rhythmic flashes synchronized with the AI's monitoring system.
He tilts the ship slightly to avoid a dense cluster of interstellar asteroids.
Streams of cosmic dust glow faintly under starlight, outlining the ship's path. His focus sharpens as approaching radiation belts require precise maneuvering. The Milky Way's spiral arms stretch endlessly, a vast map of stars before him.
50 years I've waited for this. A cluster of giants, burning bright against the void. It's breathtaking. Command, this is Discovery 1. We have multiple micro-black hole signatures directly in our path. Evasive maneuvers initiated.
Status report on the nebula scan, Unit 7. Is the data normalized?
Affirmative, Commander. Data streams are stable.
The glowing nebula stretches into the distance, a living tapestry of gas and light. He adjusts viewport filters to better observe distant galaxies behind the dust lanes.
Streams of neutrinos pass through the ship unnoticed, yet data records each interaction.
The AI plots a safe path through the galactic void, avoiding radiation spikes.
The star rotations are accelerating, mapping their precise movement against the ship's current vector. Data correlation is stabilizing.
He stabilizes the ship as gravitational tides from nearby massive stars influence trajectory.
Cosmic microwave background hums faintly, a reminder of the universe's origin.
Sensors are showing minute variations in the brightness of star system 07. The variations are cyclical.
The Milky Way's central bulge appears as a dense, glowing sphere in the distance.
He maneuvers carefully, avoiding invisible gravitational eddies near the core. Streams of ionized gas glow along magnetic field lines, lighting the path ahead.
The AI updates trajectory calculations continuously, ensuring perfect alignment. He adjusts the ship's speed, balancing momentum with gravitational forces. Pulsing stars in the distance act as natural navigation markers. We search for meaning among the stars, but perhaps our meaning is simply to witness this. The ship passes a dense molecular cloud, colors shifting as sensors analyze composition.
Cosmic winds push lightly against the hull, barely perceptible yet persistent.
He adjusts internal lighting to prevent glare on observation instruments. streams of charged particles create faint auroras along the cockpit edges.
He notes gravitational lensing effects, distant stars bending light around massive objects. The AI highlights potential exoplanet candidates in the observation field. He tilts the viewport slightly, capturing a rare alignment of 3 star systems.
Magnetic storms flare on distant stars, rippling faintly across the galactic plane.
He steadies breathing, focusing as sensor alerts flash intermittently.
Streams of interstellar dust create shadow patterns across the ship's interior.
Preparing for the maneuver. We are now approaching the inner edge of the galactic spiral.
The Milky Way's faint glow intensifies as the ship nears dense star fields.
The colors here defy explanation. A swirling ocean of purple and gold, a sight reserved for so few.